Gotta unbox this bad boy. Alright, let's get to it. The box looks like it just opens kind of like that. They got a nice little panel over here. Definitely feels premium compared to the Gigabyte Gaming OC packaging anyway. The Nvidia packaging itself though was brilliant. Holy, this thing is so big, like, I mean, just for reference here, this is 14 inches, like holy. This is so much bigger than the Founders Edition. Was that like 5 1/4 inches? So definitely beautiful machine, I'll give it that much. The colors definitely look a lot better in person than they do in camera or video, but I will be posting a video of this soon enough with it open. Those are your IOs, 2 HDMIs. That's an ASUS thing. This thing is massive for sure, with the amount of power that the 4080 pulls, which is not a lot compared to the 4090. This is definitely overpowered. Why is that peeling already? Is that a sticker? Nope, that's just a protective cover. All right guys, till the next video.